English reading practice. Lesson number 1. My first day at school. My first day at school. My name is Larry. My name is Larry. Today is my first day in a school. Today is my first day in a school. I am feeling very scared now. I am feeling very scared now. I am going to the school by bus. I am going to the school by bus. I meet Katie in the bus. I meet Katie in the bus. She is very sweet. She is my friend. Lesson number 2. Milk. Milk. I like milk very much. I like milk very much. Every day, my father buys it at the supermarket. Every day, my father buys it at the supermarket. I drink milk in the morning. I drink milk in the morning. It's white. It's white. It's very important for our bones and teeth. It's very important for our bones and teeth. I like milk very much. Every day, my father buys it at the supermarket. I drink milk in the morning. It's white. It's very important for our bones and teeth. It's very important for our bones and teeth. Lesson number 3. My father. My father. I love my father. I love my father. He is very kind. He is very kind. He is called Robert. He is called Robert. He is 45 years old. He is 45 years old. He is an active person. He is an active person. He gets up early to get ready for his work. He gets up early to get ready for his work. He is an architect. He is an architect. He always designs high skyscrapers. He always designs high skyscraper for my house. My house is small. My house is small. It's near my school. It's near my school. There are 2 rooms. There are 2 rooms. There are a bathroom and a kitchen. There are a bathroom and a kitchen. There is a small garden. There is a small garden with nice trees and flowers. With nice trees and flowers. Repeat again. My house. My house is small. It's near my school. There are 2 rooms. There are a bathroom and a kitchen. There is a small garden with nice trees and flowers. My cat. My cat. I have a cat. I have a cat. My cat is orange. My cat is orange. It has a long tail. It has a long tail. Her eyes are brown. Her eyes are brown. It likes milk. It likes milk. It likes to run and jump. It likes to run and jump. I love to play with my cat. I love to play with my cat. It makes me happy. It makes me happy. Repeat again. My cat. I have a cat. My cat is orange. It has a long tail. Her eyes are brown. It likes milk. It likes to run and jump. I love to play with my cat. It makes me happy. Lesson number 6. This is a duck. This is a duck. The duck is yellow. The duck is yellow. Look at the yellow duck. Look at the yellow duck. The yellow duck is a big. The yellow duck is a big duck. This is a duck. The duck is yellow. Look at the yellow duck. The yellow duck is big. Lesson number 7. Fish. I am a fish. I am a fish. I live in the sea. I live in the sea. I love to swim. I love to swim. I can swim fast. I am a fish. I live in the sea. I love to swim. I can swim fast. 8. Lesson number 8. Bee. I am a bee. I am a bee. I have 4 wings. I have 4 wings. I like flowers. I like flowers. I can make honey. I can make honey. I am a bee. I have 4 wings. I like flowers. I can make honey. 9. Lion. Lesson number 9. Lion. I am a lion. I am a lion. I have a long tail. I have a long tail. I can run fast. I can run fast. I hunt at night. I hunt at night. Repeat again. I am a lion. I have a long tail. I can run fast. I hunt at night. Lesson number 9. Starfish. I am a starfish. I am a starfish. I have 5 arms. I have 5 arms. I move slowly. I move slowly. I eat oysters. I am a starfish. I have 5 arms. I move slowly. I eat oysters. Okay viewers, thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe and thanks again.